Hi, it's Stu from Pier Cycles. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to remove your seat. It's pretty basic, but what we find for a lot of people that are new to the R9T model is it's something that they overlook. So I'm just going to show you how to remove it and how to refit it, and the tips that we find of how to make it on and off easier. So tools that you're going to need for this are a ratchet and a T30 Torx Bit. In some of your book packs, you'll find that there'll be a key which has a T30 bit on the end. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a cheap made part and it can chew up the bolt on the end. So we do advise that if you've got an R9T, get yourself a T30 Torx Bit because you're going to be using it a lot, as there's plenty of it on the bike and it's also required for getting the seats off. So I'm going to crack on. So the R9T seat on the Roadster model is split into two. Simple removal, bolt holes here, just through this one here. If you did want to remove the rear passenger foot peg mount or rear frame, Wunderlich do a mounting plate here which allows you, with this removed, to still fit the rear seat. It's something that you'll find on our website, simple to fit and definitely something at home. It also is a crossover of the same T30 Torx head, so you can do it with the same tool that you've got to remove the seat. The front seat, no tools required, but a little bit of technique. There's a plastic clip here which sits on the back of the seat and just interacts with this rear plastic mount here. It's a case of pushing the seat forward, pulling that clip up, and then just giving the back of the seat a bit of a wiggle just to get it off. There's the clip. And you'll see that it locates here at the front and here at the sides. To get it back on, you need to just be aware of the mounts at the front and the mounts at the side here as well. Whilst you're on the subject, if you want to charge your bike, this is the method that you need to do to remove the seat to get to the charging point. There's a positive terminal here, and you'll see that down on the right hand cylinder head there is also a negative point. So if you've got an Optimate or crocodile clips, these are the 2 points that you need to use to connect to it to get the charge in. When putting it back together, you don't need to worry about the plastic clip at the back. That sorts itself out. It's got a little bit of a tapered face on there, so that sorts itself out as you put it in. The main things to be concerned about is these clips and how the alignment is. Place it on your seat, on your rear frame. Make sure that you're looking through here into here to make sure that those two are in line, and then give it a good firm push forward. Solid click, that sorted itself out. Then when it comes to fitting the rear seat, you've got the front location lug at the front here. That interacts with this rear passenger frame. Like I said, if you have removed the rear passenger frame, you will require this Wunderlich plate that sits on here to make this fit again. It's just a case of the seat in, forward, locates like that, and then underneath with the bolt in to tighten it up, and then give it a nip up with the ratchet. Job done. Simple.